How to use SHEIN Curvy and Plus-Size section. To use SHEIN Curvy and Plus-Size section effectively, the key is to sort by your specific body measurements. So make sure to have your body measurements with you. Take your measurements before you shop, measure your bust, weight and hips in both inches and centimeters. Have these measurements handy to compare with each garment's specific sizing. Every single item here that you wish to purchase, for example, you're going to purchase jackets and such, and you can tap on it and you'll get the option here down below along with the item that says size guide. So you can see size guide here. So let me show you here. You can see size guide, tap on it, then you'll get the size guide here, and along with the guide you'll be able to see that XL is shoulders 15.6 centimeters. You can also switch to inches if you want. So if you are on inches, you can see product measurements right here. So you can see body measurements and product measurements. Look for product measurements and see which one fits you the best and order that size. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.